Okay, so hey guys, no time to explain, but see, we found him at on the street, maybe, or next to the street, fallen from a tree. We couldn't let him there because his mom isn't going to be on time to save him, and he would die. So we are now picked up this bird, and we are now going to feed him up. Or first, I think he's going to be our pet for just a couple of weeks or months. I don't know. Oh, and oh, okay. Sorry, my camera. He doesn't trust us with giving him food, which we're trying to give him food to eat now. We're calling him Bistro. He's still alive, so don't worry about it. Ooh. Look at him.
ذكر هو اللي يخاف من ماتن التلفونات.
لا هو ما يعرف شنو يعني صار. Oh dang, I'm now recording horizontally.
طيب لا.
Look at this.
خطير باباش.
طيب لازم ياكل.
يعني تفتح ما تحلق.
إيه لا شلون هو أمه هيك تسوي له.
هم تفتح حلقة.
هو يتحط بنقارة بحلقة وتوكله. وراسه لما يجي هو يفتح له حلقة، بس هنا احنا يخاف من عندنا بعد ما نتعلم.
Yeah. He's still scared from the fall, I think. You know what's funny? When we walked in, wait, oops. Okay. When we walked in, my mom got scared of it. She thought it was like something dead bird or something rotten. So this is kind of a short video, but it's good enough for now. This was his food. We gave him first his food and water because he looked hungry. This is water, and here he lives. We're going to maybe cut a hole here for an opening, but he's going to live here, kind of now. He's going to first rest. Poor guy. Shh, just eat. Eat. So that was it. I just came here from school. Well, just from school. You can see I have like my clothes and everything. That's kind of fun. I never knew these kind of days will come. Oh, look. Look. My dad's going to give him like a kind of like bed sheet. Look, he's going to rest. Look, he is. Okay. I was like, when we found him, I was going saying to my father, Dad, get him, we need to get him home. And he's like, yo, yes, okay, sorry for this. This was a video. I'll be making more content on my channel. I most make just funny videos and stuff. So sorry if I don't upload. I like upload every 2 weeks or maybe 1 week sometimes. So I hope you enjoyed. So I'll be making updates on what's going on with Bistro. Bye.